Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this dramatic fall inspired makeup look. If you're interested in knowing how I created this look, keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, and make sure you tap that notification bell so you'll get notified every single time I upload content and you will not miss anything going on. I do have a giveaway coming up very soon. I will announce that when I decide on what I want to do for my giveaway. So stay tuned and keep on watching to find out how I achieve this fall dramatic makeup look.
So I've already primed my eyes with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C 10.5, and now I'm going into my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette and I'm picking up that brown. I'm just packing that brown in my crease. I will have each shade listed below so you guys can recreate if you like. Now I'm going to go back into that Masquerade palette and pick up that burnt orange shade and just slightly overlap the brown to start creating my transition. And the brush that I'm using is my Morphe M506 brush. So I am taking my time with this process, you guys. I want to make sure that everything is blended nice and seamless. And I'm just going back in with that brush that I used when I first laid down that brown and just blending everything inward. And I haven't applied any more product to the brush, just whatever's left on the brush and you know what's on my eye. I'm just bringing that toward my nose. You want to make sure that you blend your life away, guys. You want it to be as seamless as possible. Just a really pretty transition from one color to the next. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through this, but basically I'm just going back and forth from brush to brush, shade to shade, just making sure again that everything is blended, everything is seamless. And I am going to deepen my outer V slightly by packing just a little bit more of that first shade that I put down on my lid, that brown, out of the Masquerade palette. Then I'm going to go ahead and just apply a little bit more concealer on my eyelid. I actually lost the footage from that, but I just applied a little bit more of the Makeup Revolution concealer to my eyelid. And now I'm going into my Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and I'm picking up is like a pretty cream shade, and I'm applying that to my lid. So I will have that listed below for you guys. If you did not hear me in the beginning of the video, I will have everything listed. So to deepen my outer V, I'm going into my Morphe 35V palette and I'm picking up Little Black Book. And as you can see, I am creating basically a V on the outer corner of my eye. And the brush that I was using to apply that black was the Morphe M506 brush. And then I'm just blending it out with a random blending brush just to make sure that everything is transitioning and you don't see any harsh lines at all and everything just looks pretty. So I decided to get up close and personal with this eyeliner, y'all. So I ordered my eyeliner off of Amazon. It's the NYC liquid eyeliner. I was using this eyeliner, I want to say like 5, 6, maybe 7 years ago. This eyeliner is absolutely amazing. I found it again on Amazon. It was $6, but normally when I was buying it before, Walmart was carrying it and it was only $2. But yeah, so if you have not heard of this liner, go on Amazon, pick some up, see how you like it. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. So yeah, so I wanted to show you how I did my wing. This type of applicator just was so much easier for me. So I'm just applying some mascara. I'm not picky on my mascara, guys, because I always use falsies. So any type of mascara does well for me. And the lashes I'm applying are by Eye Envy. I do not know the name of them. But I will say, I don't really like the Eye Envy lashes. For some reason, I feel like the band isn't as flexible as what I'm used to, and it's really hard to apply the lashes. So I've already moisturized my face with my Pond's and then primed my face with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip, and now I'm just color correcting, and I'm using the Ruby Kisses color corrector in the shade Peach. Moving on to foundation, I am using the Black Opal Cream Stick Foundation in the shade Truly Topaz. You guys know from the last few videos that this is my favorite. Again, it used to be my favorite a while back and I stopped using it, and you know how it is, you want to try different things and then you kind of forget about what you love. But yeah, so this is my favorite again and I absolutely love it. So I'm just blending it out with my Real Techniques Instapot brush. And then to highlight, I'm going to be using my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade Natural Sand. And I'm just applying that under my eyes, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, forehead, and my chin. So for my contour, I'm going in with my Black Opal Cream Stick in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And yes, I did change my shade. I was using the Hazelnut, but I want a more deeper contour, so that's why I did change my shade to the Beautiful Bronze. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out, and then we're going to go ahead and blend out this concealer under my eyes and my forehead and all that good stuff. So I wanted more coverage, so I decided to go back in with that Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. And then I'm going to add my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, just to kind of brighten it up a little bit and, you know, make me look more awake. So to set that concealer, I'm using my Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana. And this is like my absolute favorite. It just works for me. So I'm going to be setting my contour with my CoverGirl Ebony Bronze Bronzer. I don't know how many of you guys remember this bronzer. This is the bronzer that was always sold out. Like if you went to Walmart, CVS, what have you, they were always sold out back in the day. And then they relaunched it, but it's part of the Full Spectrum collection. And y'all, this is like the best bronzer there is. It's the perfect shade for contour. So yeah, so this is what I'm contouring myself with, and it's the Ebony Bronze. And now I'm just going in and applying the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the pressed powder, just to set my entire face, making sure that everything is locked and loaded and nothing is going to move. Now I'm just going in with some of my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deepest, just to add a little bit more to my cheeks. I'm so used to using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish as my set to my contour, so I felt kind of naked without it, so I just wanted to add a little bit more. And then I'm going in with my blush, and this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. And I really wanted to make sure that you saw this blush on camera. I know, when you're doing your makeup and you're looking in the mirror, you can see it, but then when you take your picture, you don't see it. So I wanted to make sure that you guys saw this blush without me looking like a clown. But this is probably one of my most favorite blushes. It just looks pretty with any eye look that you do. So I'm gonna line under my eyes with my Wet n Wild Color Icon multi-stick, and I'm really starting to get used to the eyeliner. I really don't care for black eyeliner too much, but I wanted this look to be dramatic, and what else says dramatic but black eyeliner? So I'm going to apply the eyeliner, and then I'm going to smoke it out with the brown that I used in my crease. And the brush that I'm using is my Morphe M506 brush, and the Morphe brush is like one of those brushes that you need a few of them, because they're like the best brushes for detail, and they just blend out so well. So, and they're very affordable. Like, I think I got it from Ulta for maybe about $4 or $5, something like that. But yeah, so go get you some if you don't have any yet. They are really good brushes. So I'm just going to go ahead and smudge that out with the brown, and I believe I did add some of the orange from the Warrior palette, but that clip did get deleted. So for lips, I decided to go with a matte lip, considering that this entire look is matte. I did not apply any highlighter at all. So the matte lip is by Black Radiance and is called Brown Sugar or Sugar Plum or something like that. I'll have the name listed below for you guys. But yeah, just applying the lip, and I had to go over it several times because, as you can see, like, it wasn't as dark as it can get. So I did go over it quite a few times, but it's okay. And I really enjoyed this look. I love how it came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.